Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, in today's video I am showing you how to grow coriander at home. So take a nice potting mix and loam soil mix in a flower pot or in any pot that you have. And over here I have soaked coriander seeds at these are 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds and soaked overnight. And over here I have this spray bottle by which we will be spraying some of the water on the soil so that seeds are kept moist. So now over here my soil is prepared. So what I'll do is I'll just spread the seeds like so randomly on the soil on good distance so that when they grow they get plenty of space to spread their leaves and roots. So that's all about it. You just have to do this simple step. And now what we will do is we will cover the seeds with the soil or potting mix that you have. Just 1 layer of potting mix or soil will be enough. That's it. Some more on this side. And now I'm just gonna spray some water like so to keep them moist. And that's about it. And after about a week or so we'll have a check. Hello friends, I'm back again. So after a week or so the budding has started. As you can see, coriander buds have started to turn up. And now I'll see you after about 2 weeks or maybe 2.5 weeks. I'm back after 3 weeks. So here is our grown coriander, and we'll wait for about a week or 2 before we harvest it for our garnishing or making any chutney. So that's all about it. It's very simple process. And I really hope that you have liked my video, and if you have, do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like. I'll see you next time with another video of mine. Till then, take care. Bye bye.